Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to continue with the chapter 4 Domains of the Earth. Today's topic is the continents. Within it is the subtopic of the chapter. As because you have to understand these continents very nicely, so I am discussing today only about the continents. There are 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. Among them, Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. So we will discuss one by one all the continents. So first one is Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. About 58% people of the whole world lives here. Nearly there are 46 countries. Among them, India is one. So we are in Asia. So if anybody is asking which continent do you live, we live in Asia. Now next is North America. After Asia, the size wise comes Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Suez Canal separates Asia and Africa. That means Suez Canal separates Africa from Asia. And the most important and interesting thing is that all the 3 imaginary lines, what I have discussed in the previous chapter, that the equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn passes through this continent. Equator passes and the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. So the position is that the 3 imaginary lines all passes through this continent. Next is North America. North America is the 3rd largest continent in the world. It is as big as, if we are 8 times we are doubling, that means it is 8 times bigger than India. The size of North America is 8 times bigger than India. And Columbus discovered it in 1492 AD. Columbus discovered North America in 1492 AD. Now, South America is the 4th largest continent. It is 5 times bigger than India. So you can imagine the size of the continents. So South America is 5 times bigger than India. According to size wise, next is Antarctica. Antarctica lies in South Pole. There no possibilities of human life, but people go there for expeditions and to find things, that how the things are going on and what are the possibilities, that why it is totally covered with ice and snow, and is there life possible. So for that the people go for their journey, and the government are only sending, all the scientists are going there and they are staying there for a few days and then they are coming back. So no human settlement is possible in Antarctica. Next come Europe. Europe together is known as Europe and Asia. These are the 2 continents that they are not divided by any large water bodies. They are divided by a river named Ural River and Ural Mountains. So they divide Europe and Asia. Sometimes they are known as Eurasia also. But practically, for practical knowledge and for practical things, we have to separate these 2 land masses, and we have made it 2 continents. So one is Europe and the other one is Asia. Now, next is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent and it is also known as island continent because it is covered and surrounded by oceans and seas everywhere. So these are the 7 continents of the world. The total land mass is divided into 7 major continents. Thank you, children.